Okay, today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to put in the words, the set standard words on a Vista, and also going to be showing you how to put in a custom word. So what we're going to do is first we're going to program the zone as front, which is 085, and then we're going to make a door 057. Okay, that's out of the standard vocabulary. Then we're going to be making a custom word, and I'm going to choose a custom word. I'm going to put it in 249 because I have some other custom words already set up in these other ones, and I'm pretty sure 249 right here is vacant. And I'm going to put a custom word in there, and I'm going to call that Dan's. Dan's with an S for Dan's door. All right, so that's D-A, wherever the N is, and then S. But I'm going to show you how to input that into your Vista, Safewatch 3000, Safewatch Pro, and many more. So let me switch off and get onto the camera and get to my keypad, and I'll show you how to input these standard words and also a custom word. And if you can see this, I'm going to put this in my link. In my description too. This link, so you guys can get this manual. So you have it on hand for all of my other videos. You can follow along. All right. So let me pause the video and switch over to camera. Okay, I am back, guys. Now I've got the manual in front of me right here, and if you guys could, if you could go up there to that. I'm going to point up here. I keep on getting out of camera. Point up to that other link. If that link wasn't there, I'll see it on the video, and what I'll do is I'll put it down in the description so you guys can follow along with me. But anyways, I'm looking at the standard vocabulary right here, and then the custom wording is down below. I'm going to do the standard first, and then I'm going to delete it, and then I'm going to do a custom word for you, which is Dan's door, because Dan does not show up anywhere here in the standard vocabulary. All right, so what we're going to do is, let me just light this up for you. I'm going to open this. I got the contact right back here. I'm going to open it up.
Fault zone 20.
Fault zone 20. Okay, so now we're going to make it front door. So you go into program. If you don't know how to program, I've got other videos out there that explain how to get into program. All right, now we want to go into zone programming, which is star 56. Just hit no. So now the zone we want to change is 20, so hit 20. And then just hit star until it says alpha programming. Programming alpha. Say 1 for yes. Make sure you guys can see that. I hit 1 for yes. Custom words, no. We're going to do that after. So now you're at you're at zone 20. So you're on zone 20, but it still makes you hit star 20 to move the cursor to the first word. That's kind of stupid, but that's just the software. All right. So now the first thing I want to put in from my magic list over here is front, which is 85. So you hit pound 85. Oops, pound 085. I'm sorry. Front. Now to lock that into position, you hit the number 6. Now this is in the book too, guys. It tells you everything I'm showing you. Now move the cursor over to your next word, and my next word is door, which is an 057. So you hit pound 057. Okay, those are the two words I want in there. So now I'm going to lock in both those words by hitting the number 8. If I wanted to add another word, I would hit the number 6, and the cursor would move over. And you can actually put 3 words in there with a total of 16 characters. Okay. So if you wanted to put west front door, yeah, that would fit. But anyways, that word is in there. I'm going to hit 00 to get out. I'm going to hit star 99 to totally get out of the program. So now I'm going to light the keypad up so you can see this. I'm going to open.
Fault. Front door.
Now if you notice, she doesn't say zone 20 anymore. She actually says front door. So open it again.
Fault. Front door.
Alright. So now that is how you input front door on a particular zone. Now I'm going to go in again. I'm going to wipe out that front door and I'm going to put in a custom word. I'm going to say Dan's door. Alright. So again, you go into program 4321 800, hit star 56. Alright. Just hit star until he gets to the zone number, and then we're working on zone 20, so we hit 20. Hit the star. Just keep on hitting star until he gets to alpha. Alpha. Alright, so you say 1 for alpha, and then you say no for custom because you've got to get rid of the words that are already in there. Alright, so to get rid of front door, you hit, again, it's kind of stupid. You're already at 20, but it wants you to hit it again. Star 20. It brings you to the first word, and a blank is pound 252. Pound 252. And then you lock that in, and it moves the cursor over, and then you hit pound 252, and then you lock that in. Okay, so now zone 20 is blank. Now let's go back into zone 20 and make it a custom word, Dan's door. All right, so we're at 21. You want to get to 20. Now keep on hitting star until it gets to program alpha. Program alpha. Okay, so now you hit yes. Custom words, yes. The first position is 00, so you hit 00. Oh, program alphas, yes. I'm sorry, it's got to be 01. Custom, yes. Okay, you hit 01. Oh, 245 already. I already got something in there. Let's go 02, see if there's anything in there. Okay, nothing's in 02. Alright, so we're going to make a custom word here. We're going to make Dan. So D is 68. So pound 68. 6. You want an A, which is pound 65. Now remember, 6 locks into position. 8 locks in the whole word. So now we got to go to N. N is a 78. Pound 78. Lock that letter in there. And S for Dan's is 83. So pound 83. Okay? Lock that in. Now to lock that right in, you hit 8. Alright? Now, custom word, you're done making the custom word. So you hit 00. Now, this is kind of confusing, but now it says program alpha, say yes. Custom words, say 0 for no, because you've already made the custom word. Now, again, that stupid thing, star 20. You have to hit star 20 to get the cursor to move over here. Now, you want to put in Dan, so custom word number 2 is stored in 246. So you hit pound 246. There's Dan's. Lock the word in by hitting 6. Now I want door, which is 057, so pound 057. Okay, door. Now I want to lock that phrase in by hitting 8. That's it. It's in there. Now you hit 00 and then star 99 to get out of program. Now I'm going to light this up. So now the front door is now going to be Dan's door. Now watch when I open it.
fault, door.
She cannot say Dan's because that is a custom word. She can say anything in the standard word column, but she cannot pronounce custom words. You just got to keep that in mind. So I'll open it.
Fault, door.
If you notice, the only thing she can say is door because that's in the standard list. Alright guys, I know that was a really confusing segment, but that is how you put in standard words and custom words into a Vista, Safewatch 3000, Safewatch Pro, and more. And again, thank you very much for watching. It's all about you guys. So ring that bell, ring the subscribe, and get me up to 4,000 hours so I can get YouTube off my back and have them stop monetizing my channel for their profit. Alright guys, thanks for watching.